YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and my brother's gonna be showing slime and
yeah, look at the camera.
And my brother is also gonna show you slime and what's he gonna do with it. So bring on the video. Hello, my name is Rylan, and this is my slime I made today. I got it at Office Max, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and that you can pop bubbles on it and everything. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications and leave a like on the video. Thank you. So you have to to make a bubble, you have to give the slime a little air, and then you go like this, and then you can go like that, and then you can pop the bubbles like this, like that. Or you could just leave it flat and try to make it flat. And then you can just go like this, like that, instead of just popping out the bubble, like that. And we made this out of Elmer's glue, and I don't know what it's called, but it's like something that you put in with the glue. And so how you're gonna make the slime? At first, you want to get your clear glue right here, Elmer's clear glue. You want to pour it into the bowl, like that. And then you want to get this. It's magical liquid by Elmer's glue. You can get it in the starter pack or in the Galaxy Slime starter pack also. That's another one. This is the Elmer's glue. You want to pour it into the bowl, like that. And then if you want food coloring, you can add food coloring, or you can add glitter, like Elmer's glue glitter, any kind. And so you're gonna add the food color, and then you're gonna mix it up with a spoon first. And then you can knead it with your hands, like this. And then it will turn hard, like this, and it will make slime, like this. You can make bubbles, you pop the bubbles. This didn't turn out as good as this one, so they're both really different. You can't really squish this one, and you can do this one. See, you can do this. You can do this with this one, and you can't do it with this one. Because this one, we put too much of this in it. We put the whole thing, but you're supposed to put in some of that. So then you want to put in this one. It's not going to be like this one. You want to put in the whole thing of this one. Not the whole thing of like a big one. And then instead of you don't have to you can get a big one like that one, but you have to put in 5 ounces. And you're supposed to use this, but you can measure it out. And put this whole thing in. And then if you actually do this one and this one, it will turn to this. But we did this and this one, same thing, these two, and it turned out like this. That's why it's different than this one, because we didn't measure it totally. And so you can get this starter pack, or you can get this starter pack over there. This starter pack right here. And once you get this starter pack, you can make this kind of slime. We haven't opened this one. It's for my sister's birthday. And the ingredients are at the back. These, and then we get these free, and some glue, and some other stuff. And in the starter pack, it's basically the same thing, except you have these 4 glitter. 1, 2, 3, 5 glitters, and then you get these two, which equals 9 things in this whole thing. Magical liquid and clear glue. We've already used 2 of these, so we don't have the other ones. And so that's to show that don't use this and this, because then if you use the big one, it will turn to this thing, which isn't really fun. This is slime. You can see the difference because I can do this and you can do that.
And don't forget to watch our videos and make sure to like our videos too.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss one of our videos. Again, and please subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video.
And let's go on.